Everybody, this is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to fix your V-net on your fascinator. All what you need your V-net, this 1 yard, you need the cup, the cream lulling you are going to use to design it, your feather, your scissors, and your fishing line or thread and needle. Take your veil, take your V-net, you can see I've run the stitches from beginning to the end of it. Then I tie them out, take it and put it up on your fascinator cup and tack it down. Then you can see this edge, bring this edge. You can see it, I fix it, the net. Then you put your design. Let's put design on it and tack it. This is how to fix a V-net on your fascinator. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.